Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace, healing, and abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental, physical ailments are at an all-time high. Plaguing us at an age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that. I love you and I miss you. Sagittarius, your word of the day is you are the shining light. You are the star. You have the frequency of it's your time to shine. What have you been working on? What have you been writing on your blueprint? What have you been writing on your pink print? What have you been putting on your timeline so you can meet your deadlines? Because it's almost showtime. And I want to let you know a positive frequency only can bring positive blessings. Keep it staying in a high frequency, shining light, being in the stars, being in the solar system, knowing that you are the best, knowing that you are the superstar, knowing that you are the light that is shining for everyone else in the darkness to find their way. They're following you. They're following your energy. Though you don't understand, you have such a community of people watching you, mimicking you, looking how you're excelling, and they're saying, wow, that's how you do it. I didn't know that was possible, but Sagittarius is doing it. Keep on kicking. And don't worry about anyone giving you those compliments or saying, wow, you're doing a great job, because understand to get to the shining light, to be the shooting star and the shining star, you have been doing a great job. And coming into this new season, your manifestations, your breakthrough, that will be your thank you. That will be your pat on the back. That will be your confirmation. So keep on moving forward, Sagittarius. My desire to improve myself transforms fear into strength, because fear fears you. Once you look it in the eye, watch it run away. You become more empowered as you keep on moving. You see more opportunities come your way. I raise my thoughts above doubt and find faith in the goodness of the universe, because universe, Lord God, strength, universe, spirit, Jesus Christ only wants the best for you. They want you to win, but they're gentlemen. They're not going to force anything on you. They're saying, well, if you want to stop, if you don't want to be a shining light, if you don't want to be the superstar, I won't force you. But if you're saying I do, and you look fear in the eye, you look resentment, guilt, any type of negative frequency, you banish it, you bind it in the mighty name of Jesus Christ, you look in the eye, and you make it flee, and you keep on moving, they're going to say, oh, you really want this. You're really working for this. I'm going to make sure that you have it. I love and accept myself as a soul. Do you? I discover the light that dwells within me. Do you understand that you are the light? Do you understand that you are the torch? You are what we are following. You're the ignition starter. You're the one that does not procrastinate. You have the vision, and vision without works are dead. Because what are you working on? Vision without the urge to move forward and the confidence. How can that happen? You are full of confidence. You guys are anti-procrastination, and you guys are very logical, very much of a genius. So you always win. So I want you to keep on shining, baby, shine, become this new light, and watch how your whole entire world changes, transitioning into this new season. Remember, love one another, be kind to one another. And please like, share, comment, subscribe. It's a page been a blessing to you. I love you.